We can tell by looking at this candle that it is clearly overwicked. The flame is flickering and it's very high. The jar has been darkened in color near the rim, and the candle has obtained nearly a full melt pool in scarcely an hour of burning. Wisps of soot can be seen leaving the flame, and as a candle maker, this can be frustrating because we've just made a test candle and we know that it's overwicked, but we don't know how far down to go. And what I'm about to show you is a little trick that could save you a lot of time and a lot of money, and it doesn't take any special tools except for a pair of forceps that you can get on Amazon for under $5. So the very first step here is when you found that you got a candle that's overwicked, just blow it out, and you're going to just let it cool for a few minutes. Now we want to leave our wax somewhat melted, and this is kind of an important tip, especially with waxes that are made from natural vegetable products because they're more dense. It's really important to have that first layer of wax completely melted. And the next thing that you're going to do is just take your forceps and clamp onto your wick fairly far down there, and your forceps will latch onto your wick. And all you're going to do, let me zoom the camera in here a little bit. Okay, and all you're going to do is just pull straight up, kind of wiggle from side to side as you're doing it, just like that. And you'll get that whole wick in one single swoop, and it doesn't break off any of the pieces of the wick into the jar. And you just want to place that on a piece of paper towel because the wax is pretty hot there. And then what I'm going to do is just clean off my forceps, and I'm going to take another size down, so this is 1/8 of an inch smaller, and I'm going to just clamp them onto this. And you really don't even need the forceps for this step, but sometimes they can help. And you just kind of will figure out where your there we go, where your little clamp is, your cold rolled steel clip, and just clip it right in there like so. And the final step is just to wait for this top layer of wax to completely solidify. You want to give this several hours, and then you will trim your wick down just like it's a new candle and give it another test burn.